Hi, my name is Murugan. I work for Tata Consultancy Services. I have around 16 years of experience in the IT industry. Currently, I am taking care of the project and delivery operations for private banking product for our offshore division. After spending 16 years of experience in the IT industry, I thought I should join a good institute where I can enhance my management skills in addition to my learnings from my work. While choosing an institute, I was looking at few criteria because since everybody look at few criteria, the criteria first I was looking at is a good faculty, and I went through the website of Great Lakes where I found the faculty list and did quite a bit of R&D, which I'm quite satisfied with. Then I was looking at a very convenient sort of a framework wherein which suits my current work style. When I was looking at the framework of Great Lakes, where you have to spend 1 week in the campus, and it is 1 week once in every 3 months. So the remaining 10 weeks you get an opportunity to implement what you have learned in this 1 week. When I say 1 week, it is 5 days plus 2 plus 2, so it becomes 9 days residential followed by a 10-week break. The third part, yes, of course, anybody see it yes, it is affordable. At the same time, yes, you can get a good ROI. So all these factors made me to think, yes, it's a good time value for money. That is the reason for me joining Great Lakes. Well, I have spent around now close to 3 terms in Great Lakes. Right from Dr. Bala to Dr. Vaidi, then Dr. Bharatwaj, where I had an opportunity to attend their sessions, it has been wonderful. It showed that they had immense knowledge and profound knowledge on the subject, and blended with their experience, which is learning for life. And as far as group diversity is concerned, we have around people ranging around 30 to 40 years of experience and coming from various industries, right from auto, FMCG, manufacturing. So this gives me an opportunity where to help to know about how things are being done, right from operations to sales in a different divisions. In fact, my roommate comes from Johnson & Johnson, where we discuss on a daily basis how we do things, how we interact with our customers, how we do, for example, even the survey with customers, how we do sales, pre-sales, and what process being followed in their company. So this kind of learning is very immense. It will help you not only for current operations which you do it, but also take it forward, going forward in your life.